Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Khadija Azam. You've joined me here at ZABFM Digital for our program today, Youth Talk. Today's topic is the Constitution of Pakistan, where I'm here with my fellow guests who are going to present their topic for the day. I would like to give a short disclaimer that this is just a class project assigned to us by our teacher, Miss Mansura, and today we're going to be discussing Article 11, and I would like my guests to introduce themselves.
My name is Abhi.
I am Ishal Moment.
I am Manahil Hassan.
Very nice to meet you guys. Would you guys like to introduce your topic?
This article is very important because it protects human dignity and ensures human rights in Pakistan.
Jumping into the interview, I would like to ask any of you guys, what does the article entail?
It basically tells about Pakistan's constitution that it prohibits forced labor, slavery, and human trafficking.
Would you like to add on to that? What does slavery mean in the context of this article?
Like forced labor is like slavery. If a worker is not, if a labor doesn't want to work, he has a fear of pressure, debit, or anything else like that. So it is like a slavery.
Mm-hmm.
You can't force anyone to do work.
What constitutes as child labor?
Employing children in harmful or illegal work, especially under the legal age.
What can you call the legal age?
18 years.
Why is child labor still common?
Due to poverty, lack of education, and law enforcement against their will, so it is common.
What is human trafficking?
The illegal selling or buying or moving of people, which causes exploitation.
That happens in Pakistan?
Yeah, it does.
How do you link human trafficking, slavery, child labor to this article?
All are violations for Article 11, which includes forced labor and basically exploitation.
What is the government's role in this?
To make laws, give strong penalties, and enforce them, protect victims, and spread awareness.
What is the government's role in all of this?
The government must strictly enforce labor laws and children's rights and ensure that no individual is subjected to exploitations. Weak law enforcement increases exploitations, increase illegal practices, continue without punishments. This encourages offenders to break the laws and put people at greater risk.
How does this link to my previous question? How does this link with the Constitution of Pakistan?
The article supports fundamental rights such as freedom, equality, and human dignity. These rights are also guaranteed by the Constitution to ensure justice for all citizens.
These rights ensure freedom, equality, dignity, and protection from exploitations for all citizens, regardless of background.
This article promotes justice and protects people from forced labor, and no citizen can legally be treated unfairly.
Can you point out any overlaps between Pakistan's Inception and this article?
Both promote justice, equality, and respect for human rights. They emphasize creating a fair and dignified society for everyone.
Any solutions that you guys propose that can help in reducing the rate of crime?
Education is also extremely important. If children receives free or quality education, families will be less likely to send them into labor at a young age.
Insightful.
Also, awareness campaigns for people so they can truly understand the harmful effects of child labor and slavery trafficking.
Human rights education, stricter law enforcement, and public awareness can help reduce violations. Addressing poverty and discrimination is also important.
So, tell the audience any personal key takeaways that you learned after you studied this topic.
Human dignity, freedom, equality are basic rights of every person. Protecting these rights is essential for a just, peaceful society.
This article reflects the ideology of Pakistan because it promotes justice, equality, and fairness and protection of human rights.
It also reminds us that constitutional rights are only meaningful when laws are implemented, and also citizens are aware of their rights and responsibilities.
So this was today's topic. I hope you guys learned a lot. I sure did, and I had a lot of fun. It was a very deep, insightful topic, and it really shows us that if we look for it, we have a lot of rights and everybody should know them. Again, thank you guys for joining me here today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!